Welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. Today we'll be learning about the application of object-oriented programming in C++. So today I'm using #include IOStream, input output stream, #include string, using namespace std. So object-oriented programming is nothing much but creating objects to allow us to do more with our programming, to create objects. So I will create a man. So let me say class man. For demonstration purpose, I'll only create two attributes of a man. So this man has got a name and an age. So I will say int age. I'm using an integer because age is a number, and then I'll say string name, right? And then I will have a public access specifier. So in this public access specifier, it's where now this, because this is private, this is a private access specifier in public. So I'll explain now the attributes of a man. A man has an age, a man has a name. So I'll create a void function. A void function is a function with no return type. Void set. Now we need to give values to this age and name. So I will say set age. Alright, so this set age will have one parameter, which is going to be an int my age, right, the age of this man, or you can say the man's age. So I'm using myself as an example here, so I'm gonna input my age. So age will be set to my age. Age is equal to my age, and then must do the same thing for the name. Set name, so it should be the string. Have one parameter, which is the string my name. I'm using my name as an example. So this name will be equals to my name. Then after setting, now I want it to be displayed. So I'll use void again, function with no return type, void display age. So this function, it will not have parameters because it's only show the value of the age. Cout age, END, yeah, right. And then I'll use a void function again, void display. So I'll use display name now, display name function. So it's just going to output the name. Okay, this is what happened now. We have created a class man. We've created our own object. This man is an object, right? A man has an age, a man has a name. So now I must tell now into the public access specifier. Now I must say those attributes of a man. Now I must input values. I'm setting the values now. Set age. So this age will be set to my age, the age that I will set it to. So inside main, now we'll be setting the values now. So this is where it gets interesting. You must watch carefully now. So I'm going to say man. Now I can create an object. Man Bongani, right? I'm using my name for an example. So I can say Bongani now can access all these attributes of a man, because when in bold now it's saying man. So Bongani dot, now I can have all of this. I can set my age. I can say set age, and I can say 24 for example, and I can say Bongani again. Bongani dot set name. The set name will use quotation marks because it's a string. So Bongani, and then we can have, now we can display them. Bongani dot display age, right? Function. Now we're displaying it. We're calling the display function using our object that we just created. Bongani dot display name. Right. Now we build to try to see if we don't have any errors. We don't have any errors. Then we run our program. So it says 24, the age is 24, the name it's Bongani, right? So object-oriented programming can be quite useful when you want to create objects or create a story in a game, right? So we have many objects, maybe a car, a person. To have multiple objects in a scenario, in a situation. This is the basics of understanding object-oriented programming in C++. So if you want more videos about object-oriented programming, you can hit the notification bell or hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. And if you are getting value from this channel, say yes in the comment. I'm getting value from this channel. Please let me know that all the work that I'm doing, is it helpful or not? Is it helping somebody? Thank you very much. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.